You won't believe how yummy these chewy oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are. Probably figured out around this home and garden. I'm gonna figure out the easiest way to do it, and if I'm cooking, it's gotta be amazing. Hey, how are you? Shannon here with some ingredients for this super simple oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe. You're literally going to add these to the mixer one by one, no special mixing. Now I'm going to hush and let you listen to the kitchen sounds as you bake with me today. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna warn you, you can't stop with just 1, 2, or 10. I hope you enjoyed this, and for more country style living, home and garden inspiration, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. Love y'all. Thanks for being here.